how to make folders on TikTok. So if you want to make folders on TikTok, then first open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, now here on the middle of your screen, you will have some options, right? So you just need to simply swipe right, and then you need to go for the option which is collections. So under collections, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the collections, and here you will have your collections, right? So if you don't have the option of create collections or new collections, then that means that you don't have any videos or you don't have any favorite videos. So you just need to simply go with the videos and then add them to a favorite. And once you've added them to your favorite folder, now you will be able to create a collection. So start by adding videos to favorites. So simply go with your post, and if you have any post, then simply go and tap and add them as a favorite. So once you've added some videos to your favorites, then you'll be able to create new collection. So you just need to simply tap on new collection or create new collection, and then you will be able to add the videos to that particular collections. So in this way you can make folders on TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.